This is how I like to draw a grid. I'm going to be drawing a 4x4 grid of 2-inch squares, which will make 16 boxes. I'm going to first find my halfway point lengthwise on this sheet of paper. And this paper is 12 inches long, so my halfway point is going to be 6 inches. And I'm going to mark 16 inches. I'm going to mark 6 inches right here. And I need my boxes to be 2 inches. So you can move your ruler down if you like to make it easier for measuring. But you'll mark 2, 2, or what I like to do, especially if it's just whole numbers, is just leave it on that halfway point and just count out 2 inches. So I've made my marks here. Now, if I were to just draw my lines across right now, most likely my horizontal lines, these lines going across, would wind up being off. To make them straight, I need to make marks on this side of the paper. So again, 12 inches long, find the halfway point, 6, and count out 2 inches. Make your marks enough to have 4 separate spaces. Now, when you connect these, you will have a perfectly straight line across your page, as long as you don't connect the wrong dots. So you should have 4 perfectly vertical from your perspective lines. Now I need to get my horizontal lines go across. And so for that, I will measure my paper, which is 9 inches long, find the halfway point, which is going to be half of 9 is going to be 4.5. Mark that, and then I will measure out 2 inches from that halfway point, and then another 2 inches. Do that on the other side here. And again, we don't want to draw our line now because it will wind up being crooked. We need to make sure we have marks on this side of the page. We need to measure, find our halfway point, 4.5. And then measure out 2 inches. 1, 2, 1, 2. One, two, 1, 2. Now we can connect. There you should have a grid, and if you'd like, you can take a Sharpie, which will be perfect. We're doing Zentangles for this project, and you can go over your lines. Just and I do have some pencil marks left over. Just grab your eraser and spend a couple minutes just cleaning those up. And then you will be ready to fill in your boxes. With your designs. Hopefully this tutorial has helped. If you have any questions or you need specific help, just remember you can always email me or message me on Google Classroom. Have a great day.